The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.